umuntu ba le inkulu inhloko le ndoda fan ba iclever le.
Kubalo umfazi. Look at
Can't go and phone offend abantu.
Yavela kule news before you page yam.
Nami nimfolisha kayi-1 bese popa oko la. I have a confession, bro.
What?
Hey, dog, I can't stop listening to Credo, dog. I can't, bro. And his
So
album is
this
number
nice.
1 on Apple Music. Did check it namhlanje?
Yeah.
Number 1
Yeah.
on Apple Music. Yeah, still where we were. Sitting comfortably on number 1.
So we make it aside.
Bro. And you beg it aside.
But
now,
you should because him nan.
For now, you are. I think the fact that he used AI kula album, it sends us enough credit on his vocal ability. He can sing, bro.
He can sing because have you seen his
sing,
TikTok?
bro. He can sing.
Have you seen his TikTok?
I only follow him on Instagram.
You must check out his TikTok. He takes recordings of himself when he's
Yeah.
It's so raw and nice.
Yo, bruh. His higher register reminds me a lot of our South African gospel artists in terms of not being afraid of taking it their vocal higher. You understand? Oh, I understand. You understand? And then he has this crusty voice that immediately aims for your soul, dog. Yeah, remember?
I love it so much. The Eternal album. It's very nice. Go out for ton black leopard.
Yeah, man. I so wish it wasn't AI, but guess it's out.
It is what it is. You'll get over it. The thing is, also, do you call it AI? Yes, or you respect it, but it doesn't take away the fact that if something is good, it's good, whether it has AI or not. If it's good, it's good. But
Yes.
fair point.
Fair point.
Point.
I was watching a podcast izolo uRia Bethu lo we Kasuka. Hitmaker Suka. He described like how did the whole song come about. Explain again but like apparently he took Adiwele the Kabza the Small wamsa ku ChatGPT what ChatGPT break down this song like from instrument beat yonke way ba yenzwe njani and then wathatha la prompt ke ngokwayifaka kunansi
My goodness.
and then
My goodness.
yamnika yonke la
But yabani yanceda still.
Yeah, but I mean it should be just a guideline, man. Abantu they shouldn't abuse it ngela hlobo loba because usuno will be dangerous, right? Especially in the hands of abantu who know music and understand umculo njengo Credo V Daniels. Sizahamba sihambe siphele like singa wazi umehluko kahle like is this AI okanye whatever. Like,
yeah.
That app bra makes it extremely easy
And crispy.
Anyways, re fihlile silapha and I know ivule Maxi style. Lloyd is here, Mloy corner. Lux is here, Springs is here, Liza is here. Kaufela sibuyile is the
Everybody's
podcast.
here.
I'm your host Khotso the Prince King and lakho linqoko ye chap isikhoko senjabulo udidi wezaza neculture and I'm Indetwa. I'll be holding it down, keeping it cool with the beautiful
Sanbonani, everybody. Welcome to the Cool People Podcast. You have just landed on the planet of the cool. Welcome. It's good to have you here. It's been a long week, a long time no speak, but we're back with another one. We brought you vibes in Ndwana Yami.
Yeah, all the time. Thank you for the love. We see the love. We appreciate the love. Thank you for the crazy comments, especially after our guest.
Yeah. Oh, Sada, what a vibe. Shout out Matengozi.
Shout out Matengozi, man. Nigga. We'll definitely have you back, bro. We have to.
He has to be back.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm great, man. I'm great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm pushing, Jim. I'm okay. For the most part, I'm okay.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah. Good week. Anyways, guys, you know what time it is. We'll kick off the show with CCD. Do you have one for us? Cool Collective Discovery.
Definitely. I'm back on my movie bag. I'm watching a lot of movies now.
Okay.
They're squeeze, bro. You can't stay doing the same thing. At least and movies, they are a great escape, man.
Yeah.
I watched Michael. The movie is out.
Michael Jackson.
If you haven't checked it out, If you haven't checked it out, please do, man. You got to see what the GOAT did.
Yeah.
It's based on true events, obviously. Mchana wake, his nephew is playing him. Real life.
Really?
Yeah, Jafaya.
I don't know about umtshana wakhe lo.
Mfana wakhe.
Interesting.
Jafaya. Perfect.
That
And
is so cool.
Yo, bro, he looks like him, and not only just he looks, because abantu abaninzi they raised their hands.
Okay.
And sendiyiva baba befuna udlala la part kaMichael because of just indlela abajonga ngayo ababonakala ngayo, like they did a lot of
On his face, like makeup and stuff.
Yeah, zonke ezazo. No, since abantu bebe audition for the part kaMichael.
They had to adjust this Tila on them.
No, bebesebe kaloku kaMichael unabantu abaninzi abazenza yena. Akuzibona inansika zakhe.
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
I don't pay attention, but okay.
Baninzi. So they were there auditioning, but they got select Jafaya. And he did an amazing job.
Who else though?
Yeah, understand?
Who else?
It was fitting. It was fitting. So yeah, it's a great movie. Nobuliso nomnqushwana bafethu.
Oh, wait.
Babona iGoat bayibisenza noni. MJ, shout out. And then on the 19th of June, Toy Story 5 will be dropping in all theaters. Still, Kenny Popcorn Zenu Nyobugela.
No, you really are in your movie bag.
Yeah,
Toy Story.
I'm back. Toy Story 5.
Oh.
No, I got dropping. So dropping in 19th June.
Nah.
Yeah, Zawusindwana yam.
Oh.
Toy Story is a franchise esakhula sibukela nathi.
Yeah,
So it's great to see ukuthi they are still trying to create the same memories about the creator for
them.
For our kids.
I feel like that's what they did with Lion King as well. Like it's an old thing, but they brought it back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Toy Story
like that.
Toy Story uqale in 1995 cabanga.
I wasn't even born 1995.
Bese ngikhona qhabe ngakho sure bandenza ntoni la xesha. And then iDreamers Cup, idropile album 3 or chapter 1.
Yeah.
Beautiful project. I love abantu ababafeaturishileyo. I think they selected like perfect people for features. Pana Holy Alpha is one of them. The late Bravo Leroux is one of them. Who else? Damn it. Timali Holy Alpha, Bravo. Chase. There's a guy, Vase Chase or something.
Okay.
Yeah. He killed it, Naipa, and then Nolura, Kwenyingoma, killing a hook. Yeah, so I think Ballet 3 as a Cape Town, which is also great.
Nice.
Dreamers Cup chapter 1, we are hopefully, this is Imamela Lena, and then Pumu chapter 2 after that. So yeah, that's my cool collected discovery.
On my side, Ntate Big Zulu is doing big things there. Have you seen? Have you seen he dropped an album called Umkhulu?
Which is trash.
Huh? I beg your finest pardon. What did you say? He dropped.
No, can I honest opinion?
Yes.
Owathi uBig Zulu yakwazi ucula wasichana. Wasichana bro.
Ne.
Wasichana.
Why do you say that?
I mean, you can't have Ubuhle on your album. One of our best amapiano female vocalists. And then you want to go toe to toe when you are you don't even rap. Think about rapping. You can't have Uma Welele on your album. And then you are the one singing the hook. Uma Welele like give the boy a hook and then Aibulale. Clean.
And then you're gonna be mad if he uses AI to
No, Uma Welele.
No, not Uma Welele.
Oh, that's Big Zulu. No, man, I think there's a lot of singing there that he's doing, and I don't appreciate
but it's his album.
Ability. I know, but I mean, rap, dog. Kubuchila nos Java, go to But anyways, that's my take on the project. There's too much singing on Big Zulu's side.
He shouldn't. Where do you want him to keep it? Like where is his niche?
You understand? All the people that he brought on board who are vocalists, ngebanikela freedom yabo. Sibazi ngabenza izinto ezigrand. You understand? I didn't even like Lango Mayenza no Kespa. It's indugen
and Smoke.
It's not proper. It's not proper, but
anyways, guys, please check out the album. Have your own opinions about it. Maybe you might agree with the Prince, maybe you might not. That's okay too. Another one is still on Big Zulu. He's in partnership with VSOP, Avante Brandy. Hey, we are Chimali, son.
Congrats
to him. Digital hands together. besides what
Oh,
you
I
think?
saw it on the music video. Yala ngoma basane Kupa no
Ne?
Casper. It's there. Nice.
Sponsorship.
Nice.
Fake imali lapha na squad.
It's good to see that alcohol brands are still investing in hip hop, even though
Yes.
Amapiano is taking all the bag. Yeah, it's nice to see what the
You
hip
think
hop
it's
bros.
you think it's taking all the bag right now?
Hey, yeah. Borimi Martin, like your big alcohol brands, they invest.
Yeah,
mostly-
because it's what's popping.
Yeah.
It's what people like.
Yeah, I don't know the choice, but like it's good to see like at least a big Zulu now where they can scoop
Bring
here
it
and
back.
there. You understand?
Putting it back.
Yo, it's just like with hip hop. Sorry, I almost forgot, man. My brother Pro Child dropped in Goma
Yes.
Bizabani,
Yes.
featuring Orish. Dope track. Please go check it out.
Clean.
Shout
Shout out, pro.
so let's run it up and make sure it's on high rotation right
Show
there.
some love over there, please. Yes.
all?
One more. Asake or Ashake. I don't know how you want to pronounce it. Also
Apparently it's
nice.
Ashake.
Ashake. I'm sorry, everybody. Forgive me. He also dropped a new album called Money. Is it Money?
Yeah,
Yes, it's Money.
yeah.
It's Money. Check it out, guys. I checked it out. A few songs here and there. I haven't finished it. It's good though. So far, so good on my side. Have you checked it out?
Yeah, kancing. Yo, I just can't remember the titles.
Same.
I think there's a song called Wa there,
Yeah.
which is pretty dope. So yeah, man. After the album I Kupayo 2022, I think I slay kanale, I'll hit analyst.
You think he's on a roll?
Yeah, first album yakhe yamenzela Ntsoempungu Mr. Money was the first one. Yeah. So then ususa nje la Mr. wathi money.
What do you mind?
Imali ingenile.
Hey, mayingene.
Imali ingenile from the
Flex
previous
ngayo.
album. Kodwa ka.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Anyways, OOTD, umethusile namhlanje uzithe haircut. Yes, you look nice.
Yeah, asibonge. Haircut from AP. Shut up, my nigga. Appreciate you, my baba. And then right here is the boys in Matuna.
Shout out.
My daughter.
Hey.
Make sure that I stay warm and nice and cozy there. And then pants from Zara. Jordans. Nike Air Jordans there, down there.
I'll give you a solid 8.5.
See, I done, Anna?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
You look nice.
Thank you. So you gave me
8.5.
8.5.
You did well.
Jabulile.
Yeah.
Tango, what do you guys think?
Distinction.
Be honest.
Distinction. Hey, they do that. Nothing much on my side. The usual. I did my own hair. Shout out. Sweater, Shein, pants, Shein, Air Force Ones, done, clean. That's it on my side. Very calm.
So young 7 there. Nice.
Keep her seat, Shem.
Nice.
Keep her seat.
Keep her seat.
Keep her seat, Shem. Keep her seat. I have a question for you.
Let's go.
This is sparked from a conversation I previously had, and I was like, I want to bring it on the show. Sort of, kind of. Why do you look scared?
Is it the one that I know?
No,
Which
I
one is it?
I don't know. You'll find out and see.
Okay.
I wanna ask: Would you be with someone your age? How do you feel about like people, who date within their age range?
mates.
Yes.
Yeah. No, I definitely don't have a problem with that, man. Or if our ideas of how a relationship should be are the same, then I can date someone who's my age. No problem. You understand? And I can also scoop on the 4th floor, 40. You understand? I think I qualify there. You understand? Nicely. But yeah, man, I think it will depend on my chemistry with that person, you know, our understanding. How we met is also important because so yeah, I wouldn't date dala just for immaturity because I think I'm at a point where I've realized in Dogbana maturity comes with life experiences and not age.
Fair.
So
Clock.
so yeah. So ngandileqi 40 and leqi into zoba okay kutheni okay sure uphe bomini namndiphi, can we do this thing, do you agree ukuthi uthando ufuneka lihambe le direction and everything like that.
I hear you.
You understand?
I'm
When I will better be.
Hey, I would
Same
never
age.
be with someone my age. Oh no, che.
Why not,
God
Joe?
forbid.
Why not?
What?
No, you finally God forbid.
God forbid.
Ah,
What? There's no
Okay.
people my age. Hey, shorty. What do you hey, shorty? Bye. There's no way.
As
I
in-
just played today. I'm going to like my hand. My hand. I got changing. There's no way, dude. Go screw and down.
xa usithi ya undanga bakho bapha xa usithi exciting laptop banansi price athi bwa
God forbid.
athi bwa ke ndura ngaka
God forbid. God forbid.
Yeah.
Right palm now. Yes,
Is it something that is it because maybe you are looking for maybe security kwabantu abadala?
That's part of the reason, because currently right now where I am age wise, I'm still figuring things out. I cannot be with someone who's figuring things out.
Oh.
There's no ways.
I got you.
There's no ways. And yeah, no, there's no. I think I'm better pa types late 30s.
Or late 30s.
Late 30s. Oh, like 40. That's my type. Yeah.
Aba bazothi imate yami ke yenze radio.
Oh, you caught me.
Abayazi podcast.
Caught me.
Imate yami, imate yami ibukele
Wow.
yenze radio. Kakni.
Type yam
You
down.
understand? But I don't have a problem with that, dog, ne?
Mm.
But I feel like into a problem nayo mna kwabantu aba-targeta abantu abadala age group like le nto sanoyithetha is the fact that they make aba bajolane neentanga zabo ibe ngathi benza into erongo, like they are missing out in life.
Akho kwanto wrong.
Ingathi aba-understand about how this life thing works.
No.
Yeah, so ngajolana
Akho kwanto wrong.
neentanga.
Umntu ne-type yakhe, dude.
Yeah, facts.
People have their own preferences. Like, you can't crucify a person for having a preference. If una 26, una 26, that's on you. If it works for you, it works for you.
Facts.
But Nandi, there's no ways. Never that.
Mna ke, I don't know about you. 80% I think abantu endibaziyo who prefer dating older people ngabantu who either they don't have a good relationship netime zabo,
Yes.
or they
Daddy
had
issues.
zero father
Daddy issues.
father figure growing up. You understand? Do you think into ephilayo
In my case,
does it contribute to a decision yakho lo?
yes. On my side, I don't think it's because, yes, I do have daddy issues, but I don't think on my side that has a role to play as to why
You prefer.
I prefer the people who are older than me, because my relationship with my dad, it's calm, it's cool. There's a major event that happened about, okay, this is how I view men or whatnot. It's just a personal preference from my side, but I do agree with what you said. Sometimes kwabanye abantu daddy issues do play a role.
And they don't want to admit. That's the thing.
But
want to
I
admit
don't think it's
ukuthi-
something you should be ashamed of.
Yeah, it's not something you should be ashamed of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the
facts.
thing. I think people are not admitting to it because they're ashamed of it. And I don't feel like it's something to be ashamed of. Like, it's completely okay. Daddy issues isn't as guys, we have absent fathers and all of that. Obviously, it's going to play a role into like what you look for in a partner because it's what's represented to you. And also with people who grew up with single mothers as well. Abanye babo bomba down. For example, like if you were to be with someone who's an only child and they're the only boy, mama's baby down, guys. And we can't take away the fact that that has a role to play as how they come forth as partners. So I don't think it's something to be ashamed
They
of.
should own it, man. They should. Yeah, they can't be out here trying to change.
I don't think it's
lifestyles
something to
boyfriends
own.
zabo.
Because the thing is,
Because abanye umbone akafuna ubunxibe like i-baggy pants. Because ufuna ube ngathi ufuna ufula la weba ndihamba nomuntu omdala ngani hamba nawe.
hey, I hear you.
Babe ngamacicatheni la.
But ngamacicatheni.
Oh. But I get you. It's not something that you should be ashamed of.
And also, I don't think it's something that you should use as an excuse for your behavior and your character. It's a character flaw.
Sure.
Like, you can't be like, oh no, this is how I am because it didn't daddy issues. No, do something about your daddy issues. Yeah, well,
Feel it.
so that's my take on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Social media ke boys in I think as a crosser over pane topic social media
Yeah.
broad, but I want us to focus on um main character syndrome. Do you think we have a lot of people on social media who are entitled,
Entitled to?
like haki poster, people should react a certain way, numbers should be this high and everything like that? Like is the main character syndrome?
I hear
You
you.
can help me out there.
Um
Mm. Do we have a lot of dim on social media?
I think
Do we have a lot
I
of those
think
characters?
I hear what you're saying there. I think that also has a role to play as how people have received you as well. If people have received you well, and it's automatic, Baba Zogbeka on a certain pedestal. So now, if now I come on social media and people are perceiving me to be this way and they're bombarding me all the time, obviously in my head I'll think, yeah, no, I'm the I'm the big dog here.
Yeah.
And go, I don't blame those people because it's what people have. It changed like this my perspective in a way. But actually, if I continue to do this and people like it, and I continue, and it's gonna be weird when it's not received the way I'm used to. But like, why doing a big baller in certain spaces? I also think the main character syndrome comes. It's also based on like environment.
Okay.
Like what kind of environment gave you that main character syndrome?
Oh, yeah.
Because like think about it, if someone who's very popular, for example Ekas,
Sure.
and everybody Ekas goes crazy, but then they go to Camps Bay crickets, tumbleweed.
Yeah.
So that's
Different
what I'm thinking.
receptions,
Yeah,
like
so
I
I think it's also environment also has a role to play. That's what I
Okay.
feel. What do you feel?
Yeah, obvious. But I just don't like the entitlement part of it.
But do you
understand?
blame them
Because-
for being entitled though?
I don't really blame them, but I feel like it also drives them to a point where now they feel like, they are not doing enough to push themselves. You understand?
They
Now
always need
end up-
people.
They end up going through like desperate measures and then starting unnecessary beefs. And
Because they
everything.
kaloku-
Because once that bug you're like you are the main bites you. You
Yeah.
understand? Kuba nzima uaccepta nxa seyizinto zingahambi grand
But kaloku,
for wena.
they have to keep up, they have to maintain that, to keep that respect from those people. Like Lanyoba, they're starting beefs and all of that. It's because they start trying their hardest to remain relevant. Do you get what I'm
I
saying?
get it. But benza sibaluze, man. We are losing the real them in a way.
Fair.
I'm not completely against it. But I feel like we won't get the real you if you constantly focus on like being the top dog all the time. Understand? Where is room for ufunda? Where is room for connecting with the people and being.
I hear that. Do you know what that's just made me think of? Pretty privilege. Pretty privilege is a thing
Yeah.
on social media. We can't deny it.
Yeah.
It's there.
It's
It is
there.
what it is.
Heavy
And then
food.
heavy, ne? But also Glani Tetayoba, it comes with main character syndrome as well. I think they tie into each other in a way. The reason why I say this, because like pretty privilege there, it works for those people. And I'm literally saying ride that wave. Go for it. If it's working, it's working. If it's paying your bills, so be it. Use your pretty privilege, you know. But now my problem comes with when Batibana, there's downsides of pretty privilege. What is the downsides of pretty privilege? This is what it is. The reason why Batiba it's downsides.
Sure.
It's when it's not working for them. Now it's a matter of it's not working for you because you're pretty, but good, it's been a problem. Now your beauty doesn't have anything to do here. Like now you have to actually work for it.
For it, yeah, true.
It's not downsides of pretty privilege. It's just life in general for those of us who are regular people. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, but nyani iyabasebenzela shame. not just well. I think lo muntu ngizawuthetha ngaye like unayo kwi-social media.
Okay.
For example, uThuli P. Now she has never been a great DJ for him.
But she didn't start off as a DJ.
No one, yeah, but she is now.
Fair.
You understand? So because if okay, everyone is turning a blind eye away. They don't criticize her. Because next thing was about judge ku ones and twos. A judge abantu pa who's the next best DJ kunense kube mhle. But uTeben Gogo ke one set one.
Everybody goes
Everyone
crazy.
will go crazy. But,
Do you think it's the same? It's the same with Cyan Bougie. Because she's also pretty, but she's a DJ. I guess she got smoke.
Is she good? And because Mameli said is like.
The thing is now with Usayan,
I'm not sure.
I think with Usayan, with her being a DJ, yes, she's also one of those pretty people. BBL's down, whatever. But she got a lot of hate because there was this time she was doing mix and it was so whack.
Yeah,
people were telling her it's whack. But you know what? She worked so hard, dude. Now that like she's at a point now where she's like, there's a lot of people are recognizing the improvement from what they were judging her on. But also with Nai, it's a matter of pretty privilege. Like cool. Also, because she even after she played a whack set, she was still getting bookings.
You understand? She was
still getting bookings.
People won't tell abanye abantu ba like, hey, you are not good enough kule nansi. Mara still sizababona abantu bezi ambassadors entunduni, bezi ambassadors kuba bebahle.
Yeah, but beauty sells.
It does, bro. But in judge talent is so talent does I know.
No, it does, but we can't run away from the fact that ubuhle sells. It's the world we live in.
If I come out there, ufunde uyinqoba itafile idesika ube serious.
That's fine, but then really about our start complaining when ubuhle babo abasebenzeli bathi downsides. Downsides. You're just like the next person. You just have to work harder in this room.
Abantu abangakho bahle about deserve uthando, about deserve recognition. They do, because in our society, I think we are a bit harsh kwabantu abangakho bahle, and I hate using this word, but
yeah,
yabo ifana naka we out ujolene medimbi kuzawuthwa inemali la mithi uyakuba inemali anoyakuba ndimthanda na
personality.
I know personality aba deserve uthando yabona.
No, they do shame, they do deserve love.
Why I told you know buyele speakers hakhe.
But what is ubuhle?
JBL as speakers ezase Reds. Ese wa anomthanda nawe fethu na hayi mfethu. Onke kaso amameda amabi. Ngawujola letsotse ngathi decent uyele.
But what if umhle kuwe? Personality yakhe imenze wamhle.
Yeah, so I know we need to do away with that mentality, man. Okay, I can't.
I hear your point.
Yeah. Harbarating, bahle. Onto hot seat. Let's go.
Oh, Bedrina. Okay, on a serious note, I can start it off.
Okay, sure.
Those of you who don't know, we have a segment on the show. Hey, sorry guys. We have a segment on the show where we put each other on a hot seat, basically asking each other uncomfortable questions.
Really?
And we answer them as clearly as possible, or as authentic as possible, rather, for lack of a better word. He doesn't know my questions. I don't know the questions he's gonna ask me. So yeah, you're gonna get it as raw as it is. He has first time and I'm just first time.
Let's go.
Yes. Do you want to start?
Yeah, let me start. Would you date a man who earns less than you, or does money still matter?
No, I wouldn't. There's no way. No, I would not.
I knew your answer. Give us breaks. Come on.
I wouldn't, because like I said, for me, you need to be doing better than me.
Yeah.
I feel like also, guys.
But what if I'm your age, doggy dog, ne?
That's
But
why I
I've
wouldn't.
had a great head start, like everything. We went to great schools.
Even that is a problem with me. I wouldn't, because no.
So ngokola ngantoni?
So and also I believe in gender roles, guys. Like,
Yeah.
I also come from a family where gender roles were very like right in front of me, and it's what I believe in, and it also goes with my values as well. Like, a man is supposed to be a provider. And I think I would give it a bit of leeway if it's a matter of he's not making me feel like he's earning less than me.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
that's my answer. But the solid answer is a no. But the leeway is what I said. You mustn't make me feel like I'm earning less than you. Yes.
So, got you.
Next question.
You go.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that there's a breather.
I was hoping you were gonna ask me. Hold on.
Okay, let's do it like that then. It's fine. So if a guy asks you what you bring to the table, uzawuthini? Drizzle.
I am the table. Ndiyadlala. Ndiyadlala. Oh, I am the table. Hey man, what am I gonna bring to the table? If you bring the table, I'll make it into a dining room. I'll make it into I'll put chairs there. I'll bring the chairs. I'll bring the plates, the cutlery.
Come
Yes, that's exactly what I'll bring. I'll make the table even better. Make it cloth.
Let's go.
Those the ornaments, eat table settings, nyana. Bring the chairs.
Oh my God.
What? In the wrong?
Yeah. No. Cook.
I think I'm not the happy answer.
Ne?
Very.
Hey. Okay. Count cheese.
Yes. Ooh, okay. Would you have a problem if your partner or girlfriend makes more money than you? Or wife?
Yeah. If I rub you off like Epson Bam in terms of like being more controlling now, if you money promotion.
So it's evident, but
understand?
Like we are control. Control endlini.
Yeah.
Oyena muntu onxiba pants.
Yeah.
Dim.
I think it would also depend on like sisuka phi and everything like that. If ndiyabona ba okay uchintshwe ile way, then zaba a problem nayo. But if I'm chintshanga ndiyabona ba okay like i-grandma iyasibenefita akho I affect relationship yethu I change ihlobo athetha ngalo nam.
Yeah.
Zonke ezazinto, then I think I wouldn't mind. But that would motivate me to work even more harder.
You know what that just confirmed?
I can't be the one who's...
You know what you've just confirmed? Are you a novist?
Don't.
Oh, love that.
That would motivate me to go even more hard and ngavula no OF.
Because I don't associate that novist. Yeah, actually, next question is have you ever fumbled a good woman because your ego was too loud?
Oh my goodness, yeah, man. My early days.
Hey, Betuna.
Yeah. No, I have.
Yeah.
I have.
Give
I won't name drop.
No, not name drop. Like, what was the situation?
Yo. So week. I think we were both frustrated, man. Like things were not going well. And then she's been telling me like we as very grand. And be lose abantu abaninzi family yakhe kela xesha besijola mina naye. Yabo. So yeah, man, sale argument and then akabikho zithobayo and then iveki yayinyanga yangunyaka sohlukana ngelo hlobo
ghosted.
So if pride yam Ngela xesha nendayisota nayibeka emaqatheni.
You guys would have still been
Yeah,
together.
ngesigrand still.
Fair.
Was yay week nyani la we. I remember I was on an Uber going home. We had an argument efonini. Cimi phone yami xa ndilada ngoma zawufumana imessage kuye. Thwe.
Did you?
Yahlala nje ngolo hlobo yaphela imini, like I said.
You expected her to reach out first?
Yeah, she would sometimes.
But
And
why didn't you reach out if you wanted to?
Leno ndichoka lokuba ego yami nandiyibeke
Oh,
emaqatheni, you understand? Gateways grand part kwam naye. But yeah, man, it is what it is.
Anyways, guys,
We
that
are
was
here
hot
now.
seat.
Seyiphelile?
Penny, 2 questions. That was hot seat.
Okay.
That was literally hot seat.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
Kabza the Small and Maphorisa are doing it again. Bafethu Scorpion King events is happening. Amatikiti oqala phele fast.
Really?
Yeah, you are phele fast amatikiti oqala, and then because of it demand, they had to have day 2. And
Really?
then
2 days?
Yeah. No, like day 2 or
take some ticket. Okay.
And then ends of fast, phela fast, thenga fast.
I mean,
And then day
what
2.
do you expect? The people love them.
The people love them, and I think it's because day 2 where ticket sales make 4,000. So
Wow.
yeah. So I know bazabe sephelile
What a duo.
namhlanje Wednesday.
What a duo.
Yeah, they are goated, bro. They are really goated. And ke ngoku into engicaphukisa ngayo yonke lento yenzeka ngebirthday yami on the 19th of September event yami.
Not you dropping your birthday.
bro.
Hey, sad.
No, I don't mind, bro. People who wish me, you know what I'm saying?
Maybe it's sponsorism.
Bangathumela imali yamatikiti ndicross
Quick.
accommodation
Hey,
on
bethuna.
me. Yonke into on me.
Guys, hook my boy up, man.
Yabo.
Hook
So
him
yeah,
up.
man. Do you think the hype is worth it?
Yes, Scorpion Kings.
Yeah.
Absolutely. They're great. I really do. Like you said, they're goated.
Yeah.
Hey man, but I deserve a show me hype.
Yeah.
Like they've worked really hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, do you think when they don't deserve the hype?
No, they do. Definitely.
Okay.
They do. You know, into bancedayo, I think into zobanceda ngoku to for anyone to fill up his stadiums. Catalog needs to be unmatched, and I think they have that. They do. I don't think they do. So, and judging by the previous one, it went super well. It reviews were grand.
Yeah.
So that's why people are like, you know, making sure in Ogbana lay I post.
Do you think there can be people who can match them?
Iconic duo and a potential yoma match.
Who?
Jazzworks no Tugutel.
You think so?
Yeah, I think with 3-step they are killing it.
Mm.
I think they can reach. Ukabza kum no Maphorisa ba replace Liquid Deep. Yangabo duo a proper.
But now, here's a question. Sorry to cut you off. With the new people that are coming up now, they come obviously Scorpion Kings and whatever. We also have the major league DJs and all of that. And then let's say Google's a new duo, but then they use AI.
No respect for them. No respect for them.
Nah.
No
Really?
respect for them. They can do well.
But they're good,
They can
and
do
they're
well
getting
with
the
things
hype.
but they wouldn't sell tickets like
But they're getting the hype. Nabo sold out quick.
no,
They want.
you,
They
you,
do.
you can get hype, but irrespective years ago when the last they came in. That's why uriabitswi le kasuka uyiyekile ngokwe AI. Imenzele le mali beyifuna but ngokuza qaliwe izakhe grand uthi kula interview qaliwe izakhe grand enze studio because uyawuthanda umculo. But ke ngoku kuzawubakho le cloud ijingayo enhlokweni yakhe yoba wena you are AI user, we don't trust.
Yeah.
So now he bought his studio equipment, he has a new apartment ngalamali kasuka and ne-catalog yakhe bengakho back, so yamnceda nalondo le. So he's going to move away from Iweka. But it doesn't really come with the respect.
Also talent-wise, like feel like you're not as talented now. Your talent won't be showcased.
And what makes people love Kabza no Phori mostly is that they document his studio sessions zabo. You understand? So people appreciate la way yobana guesses le way iqale inje and then ngoku say hit song ebeyithize like 2 weeks back or whatever the case is yabo, and then ngoku yaphuma so abantu abaninzi hila respect yobana yo these guys are goated bayenza le way phambi kwethu live bayatya ngayo clean.
You mentioned Uriane. Do you think Sony would sue them?
Would what?
Sue
Uria.
Why?
Bazomswela nto.
The AI.
No.
For Suka and all of that. Since kaloku the AI.
Or he used the prompt card.
Yes. That's what, yeah. And was why ifaka ku AI.
But Usuna
AI and Sony, they're trying to make a deal.
Okay. So Usuno.
Fact checker says AI and Sony are trying and Sony because
they're trying
to make a deal
to
so that because each and every song they could try was via AI, it comes from something.
Okay.
Oh.
So now Sony is trying to
also eat on that.
Yeah.
Each and every song, that's also soon or whatever platform they're using. It comes from an existing song. Or not even an existing song, but something else. So Sony and the AI, they're trying to make it so that Sony can get something from.
Yeah, no, my baba suish, but if ever they are also looking to benefit from the Suno app, then I go like.
You think so?
But if maybe bangachonganga ukayina nabo,
yeah,
maybe they justified ngoba nansik ngoba suish. Because is nyani inspiration ezingoma ezininzi lama GT prompts basifumana kwingoma already existayo. Yabo, nengoma ezikhoyo ongafa ngafela ubaba zonke ezazinto. Which what Ukredo did on his album.
So there's still respect there. Anyways,
Jamtan and respect. I just love his music abilities.
It's okay. There's no beef there. There's no beef there. You know what? Another thing I want to talk about. The Met Gala. Did you see any looks that you liked, that you disliked, and all of that?
I think Uped Bani came through.
What?
Shangoza.
Because
of la makeup, I think he deserves to be.
I'm gonna let you finish
because it that's what the Met Gala does, right? Isn't this extraordinary? You can't just dress nicely and there needs to be a story behind. So Emachiteni, I think uzamile uba unique a little bit, and then I also liked what's this goat's name? Babyface.
Can't remember Babyface.
Yeah, Babyface.
Actually, I'm gonna withhold my comments.
No. A$AP Rocky na Hashem alongside Rihanna. Because Rihanna kaloku if ever uze week awuzubona kwawubona uhamba kwakhe. So the fact that simbonile bawupha it means lokubana at least poison. Uzamile.
Best dressed, worst dressed. I mean, worst dressed for you.
For him now, it's between Malamdana Tucci. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name right.
That purple.
No, Simo.
The purple thing she was wearing. Oh, burgundy.
Yo, benganxibanga. Boyithu benganxibanga. Next time they should just come naked. Because as into bebezinxibile.
No Kim.
Ubunombono 11 clean.
No Kim. My No Kim. Umbona. Literally yena Kim.
Ukhayeza
Kim Kardashian.
Umbona kwenye angle umbono 11 live. So abenza nga-effort ingathi uthathe ikhetini yakwabo umuntu wathi no. Tyler came through, bro. Ngepikoko.
That blue.
Yeah, uthe nansi ngepikoko nje hayibo. Abo fact checker, come on. Hayibo bethe ipikoko.
I think with Tyler she set a standard with her debut. And for me, after that she hasn't been able to keep it up.
Debut yakhe wenxibe njani kanene?
That
Yabe
sand.
Oh,
That was it ate, bro. It ate. I don't think she's lived up with she couldn't keep up with the standard she set for her debut.
No.
Nah, man. Like silver, okay, and then blue. And then like Labu jelly blue. Come on, man. Yeah, I think she can do better. She showed us that like what she can do.
Yeah.
No.
Shout out for representing South Africa.
Shout out to her.
And Africa, no Nansika. Okay, I'll think of his name. Let's go.
Aim Nasan, I have something to say about the Met Gala that people are not gonna like, or that can get me cancelled. But I don't care.
We just arrived.
I really don't care. In Met Gala, I don't keep up with it because I want to. It's just something that pops up because what you call this, my algorithm is pushing it, and also it's what's loud. But if it were my choice, I would prefer that it wasn't on my page. Why do I say that? I say that because hey man, it's so dark. By dark I mean there's a lot of what's the word I'm looking for? Satanic influence behind it. Like when I'm looking at the rules that we made Gala, why is it snapper? Why are we not allowed to know what happens inside there? Why is it so sacred? Like what happens in there? It also made me think about like the Diddy parties. People were not allowed to snap there. Lo and behold, got these crazy weird things in there. What's happening in there?
Yeah.
And also yes, like people are not getting dressed. There's a lot of nudity, like and also like if you do your research based on like, especially with this year's theme, it was art based and whatnot, and you'd hear Abantu would say that like my look is based on APC. You're doing APC in Sukela yayo. It's in the Satanic Bible, Freemasonry. Like there's a lot of dark symbolism
happening
there. And also
chat,
like the secrecy behind what happens
the
inside.
And everything.
It doesn't sit right with me.
Yeah. No,
yeah, that's what I have to say.
I completely agree. Because if I like
what are you doing?
Warrant per Africa search.
Yeah.
Because what exactly are you hiding?
What exactly are you hiding? And I also think like just Hollywood in general is very dark, man. Like they don't even hide it anymore. Like
in front of us.
It's literally that.
Do you think it would help Met Gala if South Africa? As now Hollywood. Would it be something as no better now?
No. I don't think so. I'm not a fashionista. I'm nowhere even close, but amen, South Africans have a lot of improvement to do on the fashion side. If it were to go to Nigeria, then no, Nigerians know how to dress.
Yeah.
Especially the women, bro. What?
Okay.
Have you seen them? The ball gowns, the hair, even like our weaves.
But besides the ball gowns, because I think we would do better because we have different cultures, tribes and everything. There's a lot to work with.
Have you watched South African red carpets? Those outfits are so mid.
Yeah, Mara, we are talking about Met Gala. Everyone, when we talk about Met Gala, they
like as no perfume.
You can't compare Met Gala and Metro Awards.
That's what? What?
Met Gala kupinyawo 100%.
They have the opportunity, but they are not. That's what I'm saying. Like, why aren't they giving us the best now? As now almost in Met Gala. Let's see what you get. I don't think they're doing anything that's shocking us. Like, wow, look at that. Yeah. For example, they Netflix was hosting a Bridgerton event where I spoke about Bridget. Those who watch Bridgerton, they know like it was each Netflix franchise, if I can put it like that, like each country had to like do what's the word I'm looking for? When Bridgerton was dropping, they dropped an event like a watch show, and so the looks had to be inspired by that. The Nigerians ate it up. South Africans are so basic.
No.
What?
Hey, don't chop my sister's head after this episode.
It's fine. I don't care. Do it. But
I think it would be great for like designers alapha South Africa
to
to like to showcase because it's competition.
Okay,
it's really tough. Yeah, okay, let me tell you why I'm saying this. For any businesswoman or businessman out there, time can be your worst enemy if you don't adapt.
Yeah.
Right? I don't think on taxi industry they knew ndokubana namhlanje we could have Uber or apps ezifana no Shoprite 60 seconds that make it easy for you to
check a 66.
Check a 60 that makes it easy for you to do groceries at the comfort of your own home.
Yeah.
They have to adapt to that. And I feel like it designers zethu nazo they have a stiff competition called Temu, Shein, because people prefer buying more items than uthenga iskipa esi1 kuladuma kumaxhosa.
Yeah.
You understand? Also Populans or Matuna.
Shout out.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's the chat to David Tlale also had now. David Tlale, the designer. She was like, I understand why people would rather buy.
He was like,
eh?
What is she? Is it not a he?
We identify njani. Okay.
That's another chat.
He was like, I can understand why people are like, would rather buy izikipa ezi4 nge600 and then those skippers ngalast in inyanga because of the quality and all of that. Versus into yokubana, you buy one t-shirt that is gonna last, and by ordering a t-shirt kumatuna or Latuma, you understand, you are building that relationship.
Batu and all of that.
You are building that relationship between the consumer and the designer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You can wake them up. Now I can probably say I can wake Matuna up go 6 and then away and you go create and be grand anytime. You understand? So that's what people about order online or demo are missing out of. You understand? That's what David Tlale was saying. So I think it would be great for Imet Gala to come this side and
to showcase. But also South African designers, since you mentioned like Otemu and Shein and stuff like that. The people who are selling on Shein are also designers, because Shein is a combination of different shops. Do you know that?
Shein, yeah.
Yes, because even Temu, different shops. Literally. But it's a combination of all those things. Even so, what China. But anyways, the point I'm trying to make is South African designers can also like go onto that platform if they know that most people are buying from Shein. Their goals should also be like, I want to land a deal with Shein, because they'll make money. Open your own online store, have a collaboration with Shein.
But Poison, one of the things that make a lot of people to be reluctant to adapt is the fear of losing a certain percentage of your revenue that you already, getting. Because if Evans are fucking with Zam, that means I won't be able to sell them at a price. You understand? Before money seller. And again, the reality is the national up down, rent
Fair.
so nganza banala we ba safaki we Zam team, that means no bana anzukwazi we meet target at the end of the month banikwazi ubhatala rent. So that's why events as far no Met Gala,
they would showcase.
Yeah, they would
but
showcase.
Then we do have SA Fashion Week already. You don't know about it? We do.
Must be needs God Poison.
Yeah, like fair.
Must be needs.
Fair enough.
Yeah, man. Just on some sport, it's crazy. Football lovers, it's tied at the top. We pay to a premiership. Pirates and the Sundowns are going head to head there. It's gonna be a nice one. It's nice to
my
see
football people.
If it's the Chiefs, it's a famous Sundowns. Can you smell any man? Conversation. Man, understand? So yeah, man. Now what I love about this season is that a winner will be decided on the last day, last match of the season.
Last
Last whistle. izawudecide decide who takes it. Iphelile laa nto yobana ngoku idecide kuseshe ke 7 games zidlale. And then Arsenal went to finals the Champions League after 20 years of trying. I think they deserve a huge shout out. Arsenal fans, I'm sure you guys are delighted there.
Shout out, guys.
Yeah, man, I think they stand a great chance of even winning it because players the last time they played against the PSG also went through, by the way. So they'll be facing PSG in Champions League final. The last time they played, Arsenal loser because of injuries and stuff like that. So now a lot of their players are back. Osaka, they are fit, and Bane striker. When they lost PSG, they being another striker. So Bana inches at least. It's going to be an exciting game. I can't wait. When is the final again? Or the 28, but towards month end, yeah. So yeah, do watch it, and yeah, man. I hope your team wins. Miami Chiefs and Ijonga. The fact
that Chiefs is always catching smoke kule podcast.
No, they need to do better.
What even for this give us a case at Chiefs now? Case at Chiefs as fully nigga because ukole hate ihlela becanga kwami.
Oh, you mean the sponsor?
Ngenxa yakho. What if
bangayiphosa le podcast baphosa namanqaku bangayiphosa bangasimisa kwathina ihlo wamisa ngalo bamisa yonke
uyadika
avale ukuthina loxolo. Yeah, man, can we wrap up?
I think bangasimisa hey man.
Oh, Hunter virus.
Oh,
do you want to speak about it?
Hey, betuna amakhontrane.
All I know is that ndiyayifuna in second lockdown.
Yes.
And ndiyayifuna mna.
Betuna we took lockdown for granted.
Ndiyayidinga mna. I need a break. So ingathi ngaspread.
It's wiped
out.
You're
going to get me cancelled, bro. Like, but you know,
hey man,
I feel like
agree.
we didn't appreciate lockdown.
We took it for granted, guys.
Yeah, we took it for granted.
Man. I could do another lockdown down.
Yo, the weight I gained.
Everybody gained weight. Because all you think about is food. Hey,
uhambe uyofolela inende likho ubuye udiliwe ubududule tomorrow repeat.
Guys, what an interesting time, Shem. Wow, we lived through a pandemic.
Do you think le isano breaka ngokuinansika ingasisa pha lockdown?
It's a possibility. I hope it does. Low key for my own selfish reasons. For my own selfish reasons, because the reason why I'm saying I hope it does is because the fully locked down, guys. Like, the fully locked down. I really feel like I took our first lockdown for granted. Like I didn't appreciate it enough. You know.
Oh yeah, we already really lost people.
Okay.
Do you take?
Yeah.
So outbreak is an book.
Yeah.
Yabona zezinantsika zintsha ufike kutestwa amayeza amatsha kwinantsika kwi-lab rats ziyaphuma lab rats zingene ekasi zisiqhekeze yabo sine situation le abanozama ukutesta ezinantsika zabo i-experiment ezinto zabo kwinto esizayibona xa iphuma erumini siyinqande bayingayospreader. Why must it be rats?
Yeah, what like we did, but this is what they should be using AI for.
Yeah, but DNA is almost close to abantu. Sikhwesha njani though? Siphuma njani?
I honestly feel like, on a serious note, aside from it killing people, the downside of it, that's really sad.
Yeah,
it shouldn't be wiping people out. Whoever like. Tell us how what happened.
So we looked at what moms was saying vodka yabo.
Yeah.
Please don't forget my game. Kwakhona umama wesithengiselina. So naba manje yami uHesper, shout out Hesper. Sendwana ndanthenga izibhotile ze500 mose mina. Dingayazi ba okay kukho umams like okuncedayo quickly. Yabo. So as uHesper azonithatha. I won't expose the company ebesebenza kuyo but biba allow bibanika la where you travelisha.
Okay.
Yabo because
permit
to travelisha because bebelungisa imoto. So azonithatha umngane wami siye kulo mama ke elowa. Yabo. Sifika kulo mama. Ndicima mla ngizofumana like ivodka like esebhotileni but mhlambe uyasihontsha akafuni ubonisa uba uyasithengisa. Wase kwagqi 2 liter fondini.
What?
Yes, 2 liter idrink. Igalelwe pha la vodka. Ene ke ukuba uyayidoubt uvela athi hayi taste mama akubethe liqasho lelingaka. Uphuma uncilile ungangeni ke.
Same time.
Uphuma udwanguza ungekangeni uyakubuza unayo plastic.
And yo, I'm not
choice because you want to get there. Understand? That thing cranberries I4 dash. I mean, uphuma umnandi already. Sika usuwara.
So tips.
Come vise pa. Easy cup nyani. Aphethe into engaka. Imagine tasting ngaka bro. Uphuma indlebe esishushu. Like grand umnandi.
Yeah.
So yeah man, that's the story. I think we can wrap up right now. Thank you so much. Gosibukela bafethu. We appreciate the likes and subscribe.
Hey man, if you made it this far, you're a real one. You are very cool.
You are a cool citizen.
Shout out to you. Please guys, don't forget to do what I always ask you to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hey man. Buhlele nathi apha kwa cool people. I hope siniphethe cool, siniphethe grand. And that's it from my side, Uyong, and I was not alone. I was out here with my boy.
Culture in the famous words of the beautiful Noxolo Grootboom. Nilale nombethe ingubo yoxolo nothando. Thanda nonke emakhaya.